Welcome to another video on RiderCamTV. Toby's holding the camera. We got a special guest,
helper,
little elf holding the microphone. But he's telling me he's not an elf. Right, here we are. We're now going to talk about Lomo soft panniers.
Not Lomo.
Lomo. Now, bizarrely enough, we've done the bag a few videos ago, the white bag, which we really liked, and Lomo got in touch with us and said, we've got these soft panniers. These are really quite small, medium-sized panniers. I think is what they call them. And they want us to do a review and see how they go. Now, this is the pannier here. Opens up like that, like all Lomo bags. It's got the little roll top and a front thing there. A little roll top bag, and inside we've got a cushion.
What have you got inside?
Just a cushion. There we go.
It's another Moroccan cushion.
It's another Moroccan cushion. Now the bag is just a one-piece thing. There's no pockets in there. There's no zips on the outside.
Let me zoom out.
Zoom out.
Yeah. Now I've got you and the bag.
Okay. So there we go. It's just a simple bag, a single compartment, I think they call it. It comes with a strap to connect the two bags together. Because obviously, if you have a pannier system, you have to have two bags. There's two. The thing I like about this though is, on the back, it's got this webbing system. Now, to all of you who are ex-military or military, you'll know that this is called a mole system. And basically, any straps can fit through there, and it can be pretty much lashed to anything.
Well, and you can buy different bits, can't you, to put on it as well?
Absolutely. So we're going to go ahead and see what it works like. It's got a little carrying handle there and all that.
Well, I like the fact that when we had the white bag, it's got all the plastic seals again, so it is a sealed, waterproof bag, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah, it's amazing.
Want to watch something funny? Let's see Mark put it on his bike.
Right, we're on then. Done. And it only took about 10 minutes. Yeah, it took about
hour and 10 minutes. No, it didn't. It didn't take
anyway,
very long.
so here they are. It's a really simple system. The bags, as you can see, have got these straps here that have buckles. There's obviously the fold-down buckle, and if you look at the rack, and this is a GSA rack, all it does, the strap fits around the back through a loop there, and ties up in here, and there's 4 buckles for each bag. So, does that make sense?
Yeah. So you've got one strap that goes all the way through that. What do you call it? The mole system on the back?
Mole system, yeah, yeah.
Then it comes around the frame, comes through the little hole in the side, and then gets wrenched down.
Yeah.
Same on the other side, same on the bottom, and you can wrench it down and obviously fill the bag up and put what you need in there.
Yeah.
And then the top one, what have you got on the top one, Mark?
The top is just a strap, and it's quite difficult to see, but it basically, there's a metal buckle attached to the bag, which fits through across the back of the seat and goes into the same system on the other side of the bag, and then there's just a little strap here to pull it tight across the seat.
Yeah.
Now that isn't going to move. You can see it won't move because it's physically lashed to the frame.
Yeah.
And lashed across the bike.
And it, from the side of the bike, it doesn't look too bad at all.
No, not at all. I mean, they're not big by any stretch of the imagination. Probably what, 20 litres perhaps? I don't know.
I think they're about 20 litres. They're the medium adventure bag, aren't they?
And I've seen the big one. The big one is a big bulkier thing like that. But you know, if you were going away for a weekend
with your cushions,
that's the ideal bag for it, isn't it?
Yeah.
And that's taken, having never done it before, it's probably taken us what, 20 minutes to fit on your bike?
Well, to be fair, I wonder whether we can both get in here because it's a very, very windy day.
It is really windy.
To be fair, even though we said that it took an hour and 10 minutes, ultimately, even though we were freezing cold with this wind, it's really cold, it probably only took about 10 minutes to fit it on there.
Yeah.
Once we'd worked out how those straps went around, how they wrenched up,
yep,
it didn't take very long at all.
Now if you look at the size of them on the bike, people would be sick now. Okay, you could actually fit them anywhere on the bike.
Yeah.
And what I'm saying is, if you didn't want to have it, if you didn't carry a pillion and you only wanted to take one bag, it would fit right across the back of the seat, just one on its own. You can even lash it to the top of a top box.
Yeah.
You
or
know.
on the top of the panniers here as well, because like these boxes, they've got these. The normal
Yep.
BMWs have got the straps. You could latch it on top, so you've got those waterproof bags on top as well.
So it's quite an alternative to other types of bags. So I'm quite pleased with that.
And I think also with the mole system on the back, you could also buy straps, so you could have it like a. I'm coming round again.
Here he is.
So you can have it like a backpack.
Yeah, I'm
Ultimately,
sure.
couldn't you?
I'm sure.
It's
Or
only
you
a couple of
you
straps.
could lash them both together and have it as like a big pack. You know,
Yeah.
a fanny pack as they call them on bikes, and
Yeah.
they stick it on the back. So I think that'd be pretty cool.
And it sounds really weird to say that they're basic, but they're basic for a good reason, aren't they? They're
Because we can do them.
Well, yeah, but they're basic bags, sealed, plastically sealed, 100% waterproof, really easy to fit, no pockets on the outside, nowhere any water can get in, and the same system that you roll down as all of the Lomo bags. Couldn't get any easier, could
I
it?
think I really like them actually. I wasn't sure when I first saw them, but I do
No,
quite like them.
But they actually look quite good on his bike as well, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
They do. And you could fit them to the crash bars
Yeah.
at the front, I think.
Well, you could, because you've got all the places to do it. You just have to make sure that you put it into the right place, wherever you're happy.
Be amazing. I'm really happy with them. So,
Do you think he's happy with them?
look, big cheesy grin. This is my cheesy grin. Although I am very cold.
Cheesy peas.
Cheesy peas, it makes you smile.
That's showing your age. We're quite young YouTubers, really.
We
aren't
are really, yeah. Anyway, so if
Yeah.
you liked the video, I think.
Yeah, and thanks to Lomo for sending them to us. Oh, we got a little thumb that's come up, which is good. Thanks for sending the bags to us for review. Check out the next couple of videos, or make sure that you click the link. No, make sure that you. It's that cold. Make sure that you click the
Have
like
you not
button.
read the script?
If you like it, press that like button, subscribe, keep watching out, because we may well have a giveaway, and they might well be the Lomo products.
We might be warm when we tell you about it. See you in a bit.
Woo!